What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the H100 Pro, and this is a wet dry mop vacuum, and also there's a little bit of twist to it because it can heat up. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you could be notified of the next videos come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. We're gonna unbox this today, try it out, and see if it's any good. Here we go. This is the OSOTEK H100 Pro. This is a pre-production product, therefore the box that was shipped to me is not the final version. Look at this base right here for filling up and taking out the dirt as well. A stick, some filters, there you go. Power adapter, extra piston right there, boom. Cleaning brush. It also comes with the cleaning solution, vacuum itself, oh, and then the handle. There you go. We've set it up now, and this part right here, this easy to use water tank. You can use room temperature water. That's how it will replenish the water into the vacuum. There's two options as well when you're cleaning. You can do a high temp mode or you can do a room temperature cleaning mode. If you want high temperature cleaning mode, you just click this button and it'll automatically heat up the water for you and replenish the water inside the vacuum.
Water recovery starts, and the high temp mode will be enabled when the water recovery finishes.
On this side, you can put your materials and extra tubing right there, the brushes as well. There's a feature for brush self-drying function. It is automatically functioned after brush self-cleaning is finished, and it will take about 40 minutes. For base station storage air drying function, you can place your tools in here and extra brush and all that stuff, and the storage can also help you keep things dry and tidy. There's also the self-cleaning mode.
Start self-cleaning.
There's also the display here which show you the battery and the status of your cleaning. On the bottom, as you can see, this is where the brush, and it's spinning right now, getting cleaned. This is part of the self-cleaning. After you've vacuumed, all the dirt will be down there. After the self-cleaning mode, it'll also self-dry. This is one of the unique features of the OSOTEK H100 Pro. And this part right here is the dirty water tank. Make sure to just clean that out after you've used your vacuum.
High temp mode enabled. Start adding hot water.
It has voice commands as well so that you know what's going on. During the warm-up temperature here, it'll show you what kind of degrees your water is. As you can see, it's increasing right now. With a click of a button, you'll be able to take off the dirty water tank.
The dirty water tank has been removed.
You can then go ahead and dump this into your toilet or your sink or whatever so that you can clean it out. To put it back is real easy. All you need to do is just clip it from the bottom first and then push the top and you're good to go.
The dirty water tank has been installed.
If you want to replace the brush as well, you can just unclip it right here, take off the cover, and then lift this off from the vacuum and you're good to go. Once you've replaced the brush there, you can just clip it back. Real easy, and that's it. Now, as you can see, our water is now at 65 degrees Celsius. The OSOTEK H100 Pro can go up to 92 degrees Celsius actually, so in 90 seconds. It's really good if you want 60 degrees Celsius touching the ground when you are cleaning, which is really nice, quite hot now, so we can use this to clean our floors. So test out right here, we'll be doing the automatic mode, and basically it'll just go by itself as long as you hold the power button. There you go. It has a motor that will turn on. It'll actually go by itself. You don't have to push it too hard. During auto mode, it'll use the vacuum function and also the mopping function, so it'll mop and vacuum all at the same time. You don't have to go through it twice or anything like that. Here are the few features for the OSOTEK H100 Pro. It has a 7500 PA super suction, whether dust, hair, or other dry waste, or milk, noodles, porridge, or waste or whatever. One machine can tackle them all. On the base, the water station can hold up to 3000 milliliters, and the tank of the vacuum only uses 750 mils, which is really good if you have a 200-meter squared home. You only have to replenish the water once a week. During automatic mode, the battery can last up to 35 minutes of a 4-hour charge time. Personally, this is a lot of time for me, especially if just doing hard floors and also tiles. Maybe good for marble. Anything hard floor, even in laminate floors, it won't wreck it or anything like that. On vinyl floors as well. There are 3 modes on this OSOTEK H100 Pro. The first one is the automatic mode, which you can use on your general use. There's the suction mode, which can be used when you spill actual water or different juices on the floor. And then there's the turbo mode, which is good for taking off hard ketchup, hard to take off stains on your floor. This vacuum is real easy, as you could see. You don't have to use the rags that I used to use. You don't have to crouch down to wipe your floors or anything like that. No more hard work. This will just have a motor that will move by itself, and all you need to do is just glide it, and it'll clean the floors. Now, of course, let's try it out if we want to reach underneath these chairs on the dining room. There are a little bit of limitation because it doesn't go all the way down, but it's a pretty good reach as well, as you can see there. Not bad at all. I can't complain with that. You could just go around and get the rest of the spots there from the other side, and you'll be good to go. Once you are done cleaning, you don't have to do anything. It's all automatic. You just gotta put it on the base like so, and then it'll get charged. It'll fill up the water as well. It'll self-clean and self-dry and be good to go to clean again. Then lastly, once after you clean, you just have to clean this dirty water tank because it does stink if you leave it there. Just one of the maintenance of this vacuum, which is very minimal, not bad at all. Now, this dirty water tank is also pretty unique because it separates the dry junk, as you could see here, all the dirt and also the gunk that we vacuumed earlier is all here, separated from the water side of it, which is really nice. Again, you can separate everything and just clean it all out. Clean it thoroughly so that everything is good to go. Make sure to dry it as well before putting it back in the vacuum. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new wet dry mop vacuum. Again, this one is quite unique because it heats up and also cleans everything in your house all in one solution for cleaning your home, especially for hardwood floorings, tiles, and different floorings as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button as well so you can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I hope to see you guys next time, and peace out.